Today's top news headlines. Prime Minister Modi attends virtual public meeting in Manipur. Give vote to BJP to secure peace and harmony, says Amit Shah. And Assam extends disturbed area status for another 6 months under OPSPA. A very good evening and welcome to Pony Television English News at 7 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai. Now let's get to the news in detail. With an objective to strengthen the voters across the remaining 22 assembly constituencies, which goes to polls on March 5, the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) on Tuesday held a virtual public meeting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh addressed the public meeting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that Manipur now does not see band and blockades, which were frequent in the recent past. The past 5 years under the double-engine government led by BJP in Manipur have not witnessed strike, Modi reiterated. He also urged the people of Manipur to vote for BJP for a better Manipur after the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly elections. BJP Tamenglong District in charge Yumjao Singh, Tamenglong District BJP President M. Daniel, and BJP Nungba Mandal President Makupun Rongmei attended the virtual public meeting held at the residence of BJP candidate Dinganglung Elias Dipu Gangmei in Gaidimjang Kopum under Nonei District of Manipur. He is contesting the polls from 54 Nungba constituency.
Cao tàu mắc sàn thôi anh vậy cái gan cái thủy nó cổ cái này trong ra xoay thế tấn là cái lum tấn tại lầu bùa thì mày toàn hay.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Tuesday addressed a public meeting in Manipur's Hayrok Assembly constituency, which goes to polls on March 5 in the second phase. He said the Congress in Manipur created instability for 15 long years, but the BJP in the past 5 years managed to solve all problems. Give vote to BJP to secure peace and harmony, Shah said. The public meeting was organized by BJP Hayrok Mandal at Hayrok Part 2 Devi Mandub Ground. Former Minister Dr. T.H. Radhesham, a BJP candidate and contesting in the scheduled second phase of Manipur polls from Hayrok. The meeting attracted a huge crowd. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Rajya Sabha MP from Manipur, Leshamba Sana Jauba, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh, BJP National Spokesperson Sambit Patra, BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda Devi, BJP candidates from Thobal and Kokching along with Hayrok Mandal leaders were present at the event. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is likely to visit Tripura on March 8 next to attend the Bhumi Pujan event of the new Forensic Science University coming up in Tripura, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb told media persons. The Union Home Minister's visit assumes significance given the present political situation of the state, and certainly his visit will play a pivotal role in strategizing the party's future course of action when crucial by-elections are due before the 2023 Assembly elections. Assam has further extended the existing disturbed area status of the state for another 6 months from February 28 under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act (OFSPA). After reviewing the law and order situation in Assam in the past 6 months, the state government has declared the entire state of Assam as a disturbed area up to 6 months with effect from 28 February 2022, unless withdrawn earlier, say the statement. The declaration has been made as per powers conferred under Section 3 of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958, it said. The government statement did not cite any specific reason for the extension. The AFSPA was first imposed in Assam in November 1990 and has been extended every 6 months since then after review by the state government. In 1990, AFSPA came into force in Assam due to the heavy insurgency activities that killed many people. Kidnapping and extortion were common during those days. Security forces conducted major operations against the groups in those days to neutralize the rebel outfit. In the northeast, the AFSPA is in force in Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, excluding Imphal Municipal Council area, Changlang, Longjing, and Tirap districts of Arunachal Pradesh, and areas falling within the jurisdiction of the 8 police stations of districts in Arunachal Pradesh bordering Assam. Civil society groups and rights activists in the region have been demanding withdrawal of the allegedly draconian law. An Indian student lost his life in shelling in Kharkiv on Tuesday morning, MEA spokesperson Arindam Bagchi stated. The Indian Assembly in Kiev, in an advisory issued Tuesday, asked Indians to leave Kiev urgently through any means available. The advisory comes as Moscow strengthened its attack on Ukraine and closed in on the capital, Kiev, even as talks aimed at stopping the fighting yielded only an agreement to keep talking. Meanwhile, more than 70 Ukrainian soldiers were killed after Russian artillery hit a military base in Oktyrka, a city between Kharkiv and Kiev, reported news agency Associated Press, citing the head of the region. This follows Moscow's shelling of Ukraine's second largest city Monday, rocking a residential neighborhood. All Manipur Muslim Students Organization, AMSO, is all set to intensify stir against the appointment of Dr. Babeswar as Vice-Chancellor of Manipur Technical University, MTU. The organization is unhappy with the authority for maintaining silence over the issue. AMSO has maintained that Dr. Babeswar is not qualified for the VC post and hence he should be removed and replaced by a competent one. The stir over the issue will be intensified, AMSO President K.H. Aub told media at the organization head office at Hapta in Imphal on Tuesday.
Dr. Babeswar Tongram asi adi Manipur Technical University da BC when by the UGC norms su de hai UGC norms su de hai ki parmandi kai man har matam da UGC na university amada BC ko da UGC ki matam da yoina regulation thoi hai ba UGC regulation act 18 July 2018 ki matung inna Section 7.3 da palli madudi kariyan palli hadu matam da university amada BC odida mio yasi yam da sahi tara professor oira natraga masiga manaba position da deputed research natraga academic administrative organization da laibo odida ne hadu le aduga Dr. Babeswar Tongram asina PhD degree tawapa asisu history subject da traditional housing and architecture of Manipur haiba topic tani Department of History Manipur University that pani haiba Manipur University ga adi magi technical university ga sumari amada laina de haiga aduna masisu AICTE 2019 ki norms ki matung inna masisu adi manate maram sate.
A man believed to be a devotee was found dead at Bubon in Kashar district on Tuesday. Reports suggested that the Meitei-looking man was visiting a shrine at Bubon to celebrate Shivratri. The police later picked up the body. Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Karigumba dom yumda laiba anabasingi hidak kappa dressing tauba blood sample loba rice tube hapa catheterization hapa enema tobinaba experience lairaba nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi wabiraganu Medlane Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna pung kunmari chukna adongi yumda laktuna hidak kappa injection piba dressing tauba feeding tube hapa catheter hapa amadi makhal kya ge anabasing experience lairaba doctor amadi nursing Mating Pangzari. Akupa Marol Gidamak Medellin gi helpline number 920-598-7988 Amukasu 920-598-7988 ta call toguna tanabiu. Natraga Google Play Store gi Medellin app download toguna booking togi.
Welcome back after the break. Wabagai constituency JDU candidate Mahmoud Sikandar Ali rubbished a photo circulated on social media showing he and BJP candidate Dr. Usham Deben together. The photo went viral, prompting the JDU candidate to clarify it. He said it was an attempt to malign his image. Sikandar was clarifying the matter during a press meet yesterday at his residence located at Sandhill. Steps have been initiated to take action against the wrongdoers, he said. Sikandar told the photo was detrimental to his candidature. He said that the morphed photo was a conspiracy to defeat him in the polls. JDU and BJP are not alliance partners in the state assembly polls.
Howjing Motogo Maduda, Puturapanga candidate to the Puturapanga group to the I put Tangalaga board say, I'm on the surrender to Jagado, Oi the Pada Togono Aduna, I give Praza, Wai Kendri Prazaki, Nusija by Silroxing, Sugumba, Oi the Pada give photos the down Togono, Wakan Kangano, Masugo Pose, Madugo Matabak, light up on Sita Tonokipa Late, Aduna I give board say, I will Nusija Praza, putting Mana, I give board say, Yana Wana, Helaga Botana, Kanna Bona Minasi, Masugumba. Scenery but Tarase, I am Gimating, so then I am Gimating Loga, with the punishment pigany, Prazamia Masumatugo with the Pada Toromba, Migi Zananava, Migi Bor, Mayas the Tugana Toriva Mayamse, Masi, Toroma Misato, punishment people that I could Bunamana Tempa Minera, Tunga Magana Totanava minutes.
More than 1.80 lakh devotees have taken a holy dip in the Ganga here till Tuesday afternoon on the occasion of Mahashrivrati, an official said. A large number of Shiva devotees are doing Abhishekam with water and milk since morning at the Nagvasukti temple in Daraganj and the Manka Meshwar temple on the banks of the Yamuna, an official of the Magh Mela authority said. The administration has arranged 6 ghats for the bathers on Mahashrivrati, the last bathing festival of Magh Mela, he said. As devotees thronged to the Shiva temples on the occasion, necessary facilities have been ensured around Someshwar Mahadev, Mankameshwar and Nag Vasuki temples, and proper parking arrangements have been also made, the official said. He said that apart from this, about 650 toilets have also been arranged in the Mela area. In the places where toilets are not available, arrangements have also been made for mobile toilets of the municipal corporation. 3 first aid centers and a hospital is also operational in the Mela area, he added. A monstrous 64-kilometer-long convoy of the Russian armed forces has been noticed closing in on the capital of Ukraine, Kiev. The Russian military convoy is reported to be 25 to 30 kilometers away from the Ukrainian capital of Kiev. The Russian advance on Kiev has made little progress over the past 24 hours, probably as a result of continuing logistical difficulties, the British Defense Ministry said. It is clear that Vladimir Putin, Russian president, is prepared to use barbaric and indiscriminate tactics against innocent civilians, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said in a joint media briefing with Polish PM in Warsaw on Tuesday. The Russian military convoy, which has reached the outskirts of Ukrainian capital Kiev, comprises armored vehicles, tanks, stout artillery, and other logistical vehicles. Meanwhile, the United Nations has said that over 400 civilians have been killed or injured since Russia's invasion of Ukraine last week. Tuesday is the 6th day of the invasion of Ukraine by Russia. The Russian military has already started to pound Ukrainian cities and missile attacks targeting residential areas. Before we wrap up with today's bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi attends virtual public meeting in Manipur. Give vote to BJP to ensure peace and harmony, says Amit Shah. And Assam extends disturbed area status for another 6 months under OFSPA. With that, we've come to the end of today's bulletin. Stay tuned to Pony Television for more updates.